Imagine driving off the dealership lot in your brand new SUV, feeling confident in your purchase, only to realize months later that you have made a costly mistake. Some SUVs may look stylish and come packed with high-tech features, but underneath, they hide serious reliability issues, expensive repair costs, and frustrating performance problems. A bad SUV can turn into a financial nightmare, leaving you with constant trips to the mechanic and declining resale value. But do not worry, we are here to help you avoid the worst SUVs in 2025 or 2026 and guide you toward the best ones that offer long-term dependability, outstanding performance, and true value for your money. Let us start by exposing 3 SUVs that have earned a reputation for being unreliable, frustrating to own, and costly to maintain. If you want an SUV that will last, these are the ones you should steer clear of. VW Tiguan. At first glance, the Volkswagen Tiguan seems like an appealing option. It has a sleek, modern design, a well-built interior, and a spacious cabin that many families would appreciate. But beneath its stylish exterior lies a series of troubling issues that make it one of the worst SUVs to buy in 2025 or 2026. The Tiguan has long struggled with reliability, and the latest model is no exception. One of its biggest problems is the dual-clutch automatic transmission, which has been known to suffer from jerky shifts, laggy acceleration, and even sudden failures. Owners have reported frequent visits to the dealership for software updates, transmission replacements, and electrical malfunctions. Additionally, the Tiguan's turbocharged engine, while powerful on paper, tends to be unreliable in the long run. Issues like carbon buildup, oil leaks, and turbo failures have plagued previous models, leading to expensive repair bills. Volkswagen's reputation for high maintenance costs and subpar long-term reliability makes the Tiguan a risky choice for buyers looking for a dependable SUV. If you want a vehicle that will not drain your wallet with unexpected repairs, it is best to avoid the Tiguan and look at more proven options. But the Tiguan is not the only SUV with serious concerns. The next model on our list has left many owners frustrated with its poor build quality and mechanical issues. Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass promises off-road capability in a compact package, making it an attractive choice for adventure seekers. Unfortunately, it falls short of expectations in almost every way. One of the Compass's biggest flaws is its underpowered engine, which struggles with acceleration and fuel efficiency. The 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine feels sluggish, especially when merging onto highways or carrying a full load of passengers and cargo. To make matters worse, Jeep's continuously variable transmission, CVT, has been a major point of concern, with reports of rough shifts, overheating, and premature failures. Reliability is another weak spot for the Compass. Owners have reported frequent issues with electrical systems, infotainment glitches, and poor overall build quality. Despite Jeep's reputation for rugged vehicles, the Compass does not live up to the brand's durability standards. If you are looking for an SUV with real off-road capability and long-term dependability, there are much better options available. But before we get to the best SUVs to buy, let us take a look at another model that has been disappointing buyers. Hyundai Kona N-Line. The Hyundai Kona N-Line is marketed as a sporty, high-performance compact SUV, but beneath its aggressive styling and turbocharged engine, it hides several concerning issues. One of the biggest problems with the Kona N-Line is its reliability. Hyundai's turbocharged engines have a history of overheating, oil leaks, and premature wear, and the 1.6-liter turbo in the Kona N-Line is no exception. Many owners have reported engine failure, transmission issues, and electronic malfunctions that lead to costly repairs. Another major drawback is the Kona's ride quality. While it is designed to be sporty, the stiff suspension makes it uncomfortable on longer drives. Combined with the harsh shifting of its 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, the driving experience can be frustrating rather than enjoyable. If you are looking for a reliable SUV that delivers a smooth ride and long-term durability, the Kona N-Line is not the best choice. But now let us move on to the SUVs that you should consider buying in 2025 or 2026. BMW X6. The BMW X6 is a luxury SUV that combines sporty design with long-term reliability. With its bold coupe-like silhouette, massive kidney grille, and striking LED headlights, it commands attention on the road. But it is not just about looks. The X6 delivers where it matters most. Inside, the BMW X6 offers a premium cabin packed with cutting-edge technology, high-quality materials, and exceptional comfort. The digital instrument cluster, massive touchscreen infotainment system, and luxurious seating make every ride a first-class experience. Under the hood, BMW offers a range of powerful engines including a smooth inline-six and a monstrous twin-turbocharged V8. With its refined engineering and robust build quality, the X6 is built to last, making it one of the best luxury SUVs you can buy. Luxury and reliability do not always go hand in hand, but the next SUV on our list proves that you can have both. Lexus RX. For decades, the Lexus RX has been a benchmark for reliability, and the latest model continues that legacy. With its elegant styling, aggressive spindle grille, and modern LED lighting, it exudes sophistication. Inside, the RX offers a quiet, well-crafted cabin with premium materials, an intuitive infotainment system, and cutting-edge safety features. Lexus has perfected the balance between luxury and durability, making the RX an excellent long-term investment. Under the hood, the RX is powered by Toyota's proven hybrid technology, ensuring impressive fuel efficiency and low maintenance costs. If you want a luxury SUV that offers stress-free ownership and exceptional reliability, the Lexus RX is a top choice. If you want luxury with bulletproof reliability, the RX is hard to beat. But if you prefer a practical and affordable SUV, our next option is perfect. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is one of the most trusted SUVs on the market, and for good reason. With its rugged styling, durable build, and outstanding reliability, it is a go-to choice for families and daily commuters. Inside, the RAV4 provides a spacious, comfortable cabin with user-friendly technology. Toyota has refined every detail, ensuring a smooth ride and excellent fuel efficiency. The RAV4's hybrid variant is especially impressive, delivering excellent gas mileage without sacrificing performance. With Toyota's strong track record for dependability, the RAV4 is an SUV that you can count on for years. If you need an SUV that will serve you well for years, the RAV4 is an excellent choice. But for those who want a little more space and comfort, our next SUV is a top contender. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V remains one of the best-selling SUVs, and the 2025-2026 model proves why. With its refined styling, bold front grille, and improved aerodynamics, it looks more premium than ever. Inside, Honda has upgraded the CR-V's interior with a high-tech dashboard, spacious seating, and top-tier safety features. Whether you are taking a road trip or commuting to work, the CR-V offers comfort and practicality. Under the hood, Honda's efficient hybrid powertrain delivers excellent fuel economy while maintaining the brand's reputation for durability. If you are looking for an SUV that balances performance, reliability, and affordability, the CR-V is a fantastic choice. Choosing the right SUV is about more than just features. It is about finding a vehicle that will serve you well for years to come. Buying an SUV is a big investment, and choosing the right one can save you from years of costly repairs and frustration. While the Volkswagen Tiguan, Jeep Compass, and Hyundai Kona N-Line may seem attractive at first, their reliability concerns make them models to avoid. On the other hand, the BMW X6, Lexus RX, Toyota RAV4, and Honda CR-V offer the perfect combination of dependability, performance, and long-term value. When it comes to SUVs, reliability should always be a top priority. While some brands prioritize style over substance, models like the BMW X6 and Lexus RX prove that luxury and dependability can go hand in hand. Meanwhile, the Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V continue to set the standard for long-term reliability, making them excellent choices for buyers looking for peace of mind. Choosing the right SUV now means avoiding headaches in the future. So make sure you pick wisely.